This $24 million Gold Coast mansion rivals luxury retreats around the world. With some of the best views in the Gold Coast and the biggest wine cellar I've ever seen. Welcome to this truly exceptional estate in Adams Basin, where luxury and resort-style living come together on the prestigious Isle of Capri. Sprawled across 4 blocks on an expansive 2,200 square meters. From here, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the iconic high-rises. The residence itself, designed by architects, exudes a Balinese-inspired charm, skillfully crafted from sandstone, New Guinea rosewood, teak, and Oregon timber. Step inside and discover a vast floor plan spanning over 2,000 square meters, tailored for the ultimate entertainer's paradise. The central atrium, an architectural marvel, captivates with its suspended teak platform embraced by a wet-edge pool. Lofty raked ceilings, adorned with exposed beams, create a pyramid-like structure, allowing natural light to flood in, casting a warm glow across the interiors. Ascend to the upper level, where 4 bedrooms, including the master suite, provide luxurious accommodations. Venture into the basement, a haven for car enthusiasts. With an expansive 6-car garage and abundant storage space, here, a temperature-controlled wine cellar proudly houses up to 7,000 bottles of your favourite vintages. With its commanding presence in Adams Basin, unrivaled amenities and captivating views, this main river estate stands as an embodiment of sophisticated living.